My dear students, welcome back to Plus 2 Biology. Our chapter Human Reproduction, and today's topic is
the structure of human sperm and the hormonal control of spermatogenesis.
So this is another simple topic, and this may be sometimes asked as a diagram question for you. Okay, very easy diagram question, and if you get this for 2 marks or 3 marks, draw it neatly and label all the parts. Okay, and one side I label the main structural part. See, the spermatozoa or human sperm is the male gamete. This is the male gamete, and this male gamete has mainly 4 parts. We can just say the male gamete, the sperm has 4 parts named head, and there is neck, okay, neck region, then there is middle piece, head, neck, mid piece or middle piece, and finally, what is it? Tail. Okay, so the human sperm has what? Mainly 4 parts, mainly 3 parts. We can say there is a neck also. Okay, human sperm has the head region, the middle piece region, the tail region, and in between the head and middle piece there is a short neck. Okay, then come to this head portion. What the head portion consists of? We can see there the head portion consists of, and this are fully surrounded by the membrane. Okay, this full structure is a cell. So like any other cell, this is one cell. Like any other cell, it has a cell membrane. Okay, covered by the cell membrane, and the sperm head consists of an elongated nucleus. What's the ploidy of this nucleus? Haploid or diploid? Sure, this is a haploid nucleus. You have seen already, sperm is haploid. Okay, so here the sperm head consists of a haploid nucleus, which is slightly elongated big nucleus, and it has a cap-like structure called acrosome. So very important structure for sperm. The cap-like structure, acrosome, consists of mainly hydrolytic enzymes, digestive enzyme. It has to digest the wall of ovum for fertilization. When this is released and when it has to meet the ovum, it has to digest the wall of the ovum to end up. That is helped by the enzymes present in the acrosome. Okay, they are called sperm lysins. We discuss it later. So understand, the head region consists of an elongated nucleus and a cap-like structure called acrosome. The acrosome carries or contains number of hydrolytic enzymes which help in the fertilization process. They are called sperm lysins. Okay, whereas this nucleus, this is controlling the full part. Okay, controlling nucleus, this is haploid and elongated. Got it? Then the middle piece, neck is a short junction, and the middle piece consists of, which are the major organs in the middle piece? Tell me, what are these? What are these organs? See, the middle piece consists of large number of mitochondria. So middle piece consists of, this is a part of the cell, and this part of the cell consists of large number of mitochondria. This mitochondria help in providing energy. This mitochondria provides energy for the motility of sperms. The sperms have to be vigorously motile, and this motility of sperm is helped by, the power is generated by mitochondria. This is achieved by the movement of the tail. Okay, the tail is actively moving with the help of energy produced from the mitochondria. Okay, that is simple fact. This is the structure of human sperm with the head, middle piece and tail. Middle piece consists of large number of mitochondria to generate energy for the motility of the tail, and the head region consists of a haploid nucleus and an acrosome, a cap-like structure with number of enzymes helping in fertilization. Okay, then just a fact, keep in mind, when during one sexual intercourse, during one coitus, the sexual interaction, a human male ejaculate. That semen consists of, semen, we have discussed in the last session. It's a collective fluid along with the secretions of other accessory glands also. Vas deferens secrete some mucus and substances, epididymis secrete, and also all other glands secretions. Seminal plasma along with sperms represent semen. Okay, this you have studied already. And in the semen, the sperms, at the time of one ejaculation, the sperm should be about 200 to 300 million for normal fertility. Okay, so in one coitus, a human male can ejaculate around 200 to 300 million sperms. Then very important thing, for normal fertility, out of this 200 to 300 million, 60% of them should be normal. That means 60% of the sperms, 60% of the 200 to 300 million sperms should be normal for fertility. Otherwise, a man is not fertile, we can say. This should be having with the tail. It should be, sometimes there may be deformities. The sperms may be without tail, without acrosome like. And 60% of the ejaculated sperms should be of normal shape, this way. Okay, normally active. And out of the 60%, out of these normal sperms, 40% of them should be vigorously motile for fertilization. So for fertility, for a male to become fertile, in one ejaculate, okay, there must be about 200 to 300 million sperms. And out of this, 60% of this number should be normal, and 40% of this normal sperms should be showing high mortality. Okay, I think it's okay, clear. And if so, we can move to the last topic in connection with the spermatogenesis. Okay, about the hormonal control of spermatogenesis. What controls the spermatogenesis process in a male? Who is regulating or who is controlling the production of sperms, the nourishment, the production of enzymes, like hormones, okay. So anyway, this hormonal control of spermatogenesis, we can say it starts from the hypothalamus. Spermatogenesis begins from puberty. Okay, and from puberty, at time of puberty, there will be an increased secretion of gonadotropin releasing hormone from hypothalamus. Okay, keep in mind, during puberty, there will be more secretion of GnRH in a male body. It is secreted from hypothalamus. So during puberty, hypothalamus secrete more amount of GnRH, gonadotropin releasing hormone. Okay, this hormone it is secreted towards its target is pituitary gland. It will stimulate pituitary gland to produce gonadotropins. See, the name is gonadotropin releasing hormone. When it stimulates pituitary, this is released. Gonadotropins are released. Okay, so pituitary gland, when it is stimulated by GnRH, it is secrete the two types of gonadotropins in high number. Which are the gonadotropins? You have learned in 11th. The gonadotropins are LH and FSH. Same names in female also. These names are related to female actually. Okay. So, LH is luteinizing hormone. The name is in connection with female. Okay. FSH is follicle stimulating hormone. So, the two gonadotropins released by the pituitary glands are what? LH and FSH. LH is the luteinizing hormone which is stimulating. Its target is testes. It is stimulate the Leydig cells to produce testosterone. So understand, when pituitary gland produces LH, luteinizing hormone, it is stimulating the Leydig cells of the testes to produce testosterone. You have seen Leydig cells. This is stimulated and it secretes testosterone hormone. And this testosterone hormone regulates the full process of spermatogenesis. And I told you already, that means the hormone, Leydig cells, Leydig cells produce the hormone testosterone or androgens. These androgens are regulating the spermatogenesis process. Not only the spermatogenesis process, the full masculine appearance, the development of sex organ, masculine features, everything, secondary sexual characters, primary sexual characters, all things are controlled by the testosterone. Here, in the particular session, we say it's controlling spermatogenesis. Okay? Whereas the other hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, its target is Sertoli cell of the testis, not the Leydig cell. It stimulates the Sertoli cells to produce certain proteins which help in spermiogenesis. Okay, the release of sperms. Got it? Though here you can just see Sertoli cells, when it is stimulated by FSH, it produces certain proteins, androgen binding proteins, ABP. Androgen binding proteins, like certain proteins. These proteins cause the release of sperms, that means spermiogenesis. Okay, so this is what is this hormonal control of spermatogenesis.
So you just listen to the flowchart again.
I think this part is clear. If you have any doubt in any of these sessions, we will discuss and clarify in our live session. Okay, thank you.